Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online English classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Now we are moving through lesson 3. Do you remember that? Yes. And today we have to take the writing section of this lesson. And today we will complete this lesson. Okay? So all of you please get ready with your textbook, page number 23.
Page number 24. Writing. Look at what Kanal does every day. Dear children, please see the pictures given below. What do you see here? Here is the daily activities of Kanal. What is his first picture? Yes, Kanal wakes up in the morning. Then after he eats his breakfast. Then he goes to school by bus. Then what? He is in the school. He reads book in the school. After that he is going back. Kanal goes home after school. And last picture, he goes to bed at night. These are the things we can understand from the picture. Am I right? Yes. Now look at the pictures and write sentences. Use the words from the box. So you have to look at the pictures very carefully and take the words from the bracket to complete the sentences. Okay. What are the words? Wake up, morning. Eat, breakfast. Go to school. Read book. Go home. Go to bed. These are the words. And first one has been given for us. What is the first one? Kanal wakes up in the morning. First word is used to fill the sentence. Kanal wakes up in the morning. Here in the first box, wake up. This wake up has changed to wakes up. W-A-K-E plus S is added. Kanal wakes up in the morning. Why S is added here? Because Kanal is a singular noun. For a singular noun, we have to use singular verb. For a singular verb, we have to add S or ES. Understood? Singular noun like Kanal, boy, girl, he, she, it, parrot, etc. are singular noun. Along with this noun, we have to use singular verb or action words. Verbs are also called action words, isn't it? So, for that we have to add S or ES with the verb. Okay, so Kanal wakes, not wake, wakes up in the morning. I hope you are understood this idea. Okay. Singular subject or noun takes singular verb and plural noun or subject takes plural verb. Plural verbs does not have S or ES. Understood? Plural verbs does not have S or ES with it. Simply wake, eat, go, read, etc. are plural verb. When we add s or es to these words, it changes to form singular verb. Understood? Yeah. You will study more about it in your next year classes. Okay. Now you have to get the idea that singular nouns takes singular verb or singular subject takes singular verb. Okay. So, Colonel wakes up in the morning. Second, Colonel dash. What is the second picture? Yeah, he is eating. So, take the second words from the box. Eat breakfast. And Colonel is a singular subject. We have to add s to the word eat. So, how it become? Yeah, Colonel eats breakfast. Colonel eats breakfast. Okay. Third, he dash by bus. Third picture, he is going to school by bus. So, see the third box, go to school. Here also he. He is a singular pronoun or nouns. Here he is a pronoun. We have already studied the pronoun. So he is singular. So we have to add es to the word go. Goes. Goes. So how can we write? He goes to school by bus. My dear children, write he goes to school by bus. And fourth one, Colonel dash in school. Fourth picture. See the fourth picture. What does he do? Yes, reads. So how can we write? Colonel is a singular subject. So we have to add s to the word read. So how can we write the sentence? Colonel reads book in school. Colonel reads book in school. Okay. Fifth one, Colonel dash after school. See the picture. You can see a school bus. So he is coming back from school to his home. So how can we write? In the box, go home. We have already studied Colonel is a singular subject. So it takes singular verb. So go changes to goes. Goes. And we can write Colonel goes home after school. Colonel goes home after school. And last or sixth one, he dash at night. See the last picture. Colonel is sleeping. So in the box, go to bed. Go to bed. Here also he, singular subject. So go changes to goes. We add es to go. Go changes to goes. And we can write he goes to bed at night. He goes to bed at night. Clear? So which are the sentences? Colonel wakes up in the morning. Colonel eats breakfast. He goes to school by bus. Colonel reads book in school. Colonel goes home after school. He goes to bed at night. So my dear children, please do remember the subject verb agreement. What is that? A singular subject takes singular verb and plural subject take plural verb. Clear? So, with the name and he, she, it, we use singular verb. That is with the verb plus s or es is added. While with we, they, I, you, we use plural verbs. That is, the verb does not have s or es. I hope you understood this section. Okay.
Dear children, today we discussed the writing section. We have also discussed the rules for using the verbs or action words along with the subject. You have to go through it many times. Then only you will be able to understand these rules. Okay. Update your portions on time. Study the question answers. Read the text very well and study the difficult words. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.